Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, April 10th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the pound yen monthly, I still think this is very clearly a wave A. I think this is 3 waves down, very clearly a wave B. I also think this is very clearly a 1, 2, 3, and I think it needs to take out the high wave A before it even starts a wave 4 and eventually makes a wave 5. So I'm a big believer that this thing is probably at least 6 months or more out, probably even more closer to a year before this actually ends this wave C, at probably around the 204, 205 area. So heading down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, like I was saying, I think this is a 1, I think this is a 2, I think we're in a wave 3. I think you can see the subdivisions of this wave 3 pretty easily right here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think this is still a wave 3, and I'm definitely still bullish, and I definitely don't see any reason at all to think that this wave 3 is over yet. Going down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I mean, we had a very clear end of a crescent, as you can see. 1, 2, 3 waves down, 61% fib bounce. What happens when you have the end of a crescent? Most probably 90% of the time or more, it will take out the previous high. And like I was just showing on the higher time frames, I think the 196 area is probably a good area for this to possibly end a wave 3. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I still think this is a nice big ABC correction. I think it needs to take out this high, and I think that there's a good likelihood that it's going to keep on trending up, making those higher highs, higher lows, and I am definitely still looking for longs on shorter time frames. Now, we do have CPI inflation data coming out today, which does affect the yen pairs because the yen is a risk on, risk off currency. For me, the trend is definitely still up on the yen pairs. Maybe the news will cause it to go down, but even if it does, I don't care because I will be looking to get long at the end of every single pullback like I have been doing for the past several weeks for the continuation of what is clearly a big wave 3 of wave C on the very high time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner, and don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to the daily live trading sessions and my swing trade setups at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.